Hey, this is Sam Padilla down here at the OB Noodle House. Today we're going to be making the OB bonfire. We're using local ingredients from henneberry and screwball. I got the inspiration from growing up, always coming to Balboa Park during the winter, and really having bonfires here in OB. I put those two together, and today we're going to build the OB bonfire. One of my first memories of Balboa Park is coming to check out one of my boys at the Aztec Cultural Center, doing all those the dances and really taking in the culture of San Diego, and it was really neat. So we added a couple of those elements into the cocktail as well. So now we're going to build the OB bonfire. Going to do 3/4 ounce each of henneberry and screwball, 2 ounces of our Abuelita cold brew, a couple splashes of R&D bitters, do a roasted marshmallow on top, a little bit of cinnamon, set it off. There we go, got the OB bonfire. Cheers to local spirits. Come check us out at the OB Noodle House.